Form 8889 is how you report your health savings account on your tax return, the contributions you made, the deduction you get, and any money you took out. If you have an HSA, you file this alongside your Form 1040. Let's fill it out in FormsPal. At the top, enter the names shown on your tax return and your Social Security number. An HSA belongs to one person, so if both spouses have one, you each file your own Form 8889. Line 1. Check whether your high-deductible health plan covered just you, self-only, or your family. Anna had family coverage, so we check family. That sets your contribution limit for the year. Line 2 is the total you personally put into your HSA, not counting anything your employer added. Line 3 is your limit. For family coverage in 2025, that's $8,550. The form then walks you down to your deduction on line 13. That's the contribution side of Form 8889. Click Done to download it and attach it to your 1040. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com.